Some people live outside. Deep thinkers live inside a different world. They don't speak much because their mind is always speaking. They feel every tiny detail, a sigh, a pause, a hidden pain. They search for meaning, not just answers. One good conversation is better than 1,000 small talks. They don't want a crowd, just one soul who understands. Their silence is not emptiness. It's full of thoughts and stories. Deep thinkers love deeply, but silently. Sometimes they drown in thoughts, but rise with wisdom. They see beauty others ignore, like a flower blooming without sound. They overthink because they care. Their heart is an ocean, calm above, storms within. They are not weird. They are rare. Deep thinkers change the world with quiet ideas. If you think deeply, remember, your mind is your superpower. They prefer deep emotions over temporary excitement. They read people, not just words. They stay awake at night, fighting thoughts no one knows about. They notice what others destroy: kindness, trust, innocence. They are slow to open up because their heart is a treasure. They find beauty in silence and peace in solitude. They question everything, even themselves. They write their pain in invisible ink, hoping someone will still read it. Deep thinkers don't follow the world, they rebuild it. They can see the truth, even behind fake smiles. They connect with souls, not faces. Small things make them happiest. They can understand others, but nobody understands them easily. Their biggest battle is inside their own mind. They don't give up easily, but when they do, they break silently. Their imagination is a universe, unlimited and unexplored. They speak less, but observe everything. They forgive quickly, but forget very slowly. They protect others from pain, even when they are hurting. They care more than they should, and suffer silently. They dream big, because reality feels too small. They are loyal, even when loyalty breaks them. They fear losing people, not because they are weak, but because they love deeply. Their mind builds stories out of every moment. They carry wisdom that others may never understand. They see the world differently, in colors no one else sees. Their thoughts are heavy, but their heart is pure. They love with honesty, brutal and beautiful. They are introverts with loud minds. They are quiet heroes. Nobody notices, but everyone needs. They break their own heart just to keep others whole. They trust in intentions, not appearances. They feel abandoned even when surrounded by people. Their silence speaks more than words ever can. They find home in people who understand their depth. They don't want attention. They want connection. Their biggest fear, being misunderstood forever. They love rare in a world of temporary. They break, but rebuild stronger. They imagine a better world and work silently to create it. They hide their emotions because they feel too much. They are different, and that's their greatest gift. They lose themselves in thoughts and find new worlds inside. They turn pain into wisdom and loneliness into art. Deep thinkers don't fit in the world. They are here to change it.